Hi, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you for joining me. I'm delighted you're here. I'm working on fixing up a little spot that was on the back that I needed to take care of on the French polish here. I noticed a little blemish and I just wanted to get that all cleaned up before I moved on to the side. And what we're going to do today in just a minute, as soon as we spin that intro, is get right to the side. So we'll do that in just 1 second. I just wanted you to see some of the technique here. We're doing the swirl, and I've been doing this until I feel like my arm is falling off for sure, and it's just coming up ever so nicely, and you do it very lightly. And now I'm kind of burnishing it and polishing it, and we'll see that in full force as we do the sides. All right, what do you say we spin that intro and we'll come back and we're going to start with this side here, and I'll update you on that in just 1 second. All right, let's do that intro. Okay, we are back. And I just want you to know that I have sanded this well. I've gone over it with as much as a 3000 grit paper just to be sure I've got it all nice and smooth. And I've filled I believe I filled all of the pores. But as soon as we put this on here, we'll know for sure. Now, what I have also done here is you can see some green tape here to protect the heel on both sides, and that's so that I don't get any of this darker shellac onto this lighter wood that is up in here. I just want to protect that, and I'm going to be very careful with this because I don't want to get it on the top. And I've already put 1 coat on the top, so that's okay. It's going to protect it. Now, once I've done the sides here and I come back, I'm going to finish the top again. And when I do that, if any of the light blonde should come over the edge here, you really won't see it anyway, and it's not going to matter. So I have taken my cheesecloth. This is a grade number 60 that I'm using, and I have it very smooth. And I'm just going to use this in order to come along here and then put this on here like so. And we're going to just lay down a bed of shellac to get ready to do the swirl and the polish. So the first thing we're going to do is charge up our cloth here. And it's not a big one. This is a small cloth. So here we go. I'm going to come over the armrest first. You can see the armrest is on a, it's got that tilt to it on the side here. And I want to be careful of that. So let's just do that ever so gently. Very good. All right, here we go. This dries almost immediately. That's because it's the 1 pound cut. Because of the Everclear alcohol, this tends to dry very quickly. You can almost see the vapors coming off on this, and it does just put on the smallest amount of shellac. That's just what you want. The purpose of this, again, is to lay down a base of shellac. I'm going with the grain, I will eventually come back. I'll put this inside another pad, and then we're going to end up swirling this, moving the shellac around to make sure it's filling any pores and covering everything and sealing everything. And then we come back again and go with the grain, and then we do the polish on it. We get it all looking beautiful. So this is important. You can't do that if you don't have a buildup of shellac on the guitar. All right, tell you what we'll do. I'll do some more buildup on this, and I'll come back and turn the camera on when we get ready to do the next part, and you'll get to see that. All right? Don't go away. You're going to like this. So I now have a pretty good buildup of shellac on here. I have put that little pad inside a linen cloth. There it is there. And I've got it inside this little piece of linen here. Now, what we will do here is, this is pretty tacky already. So what I'm going to do is put a drop of extra virgin olive oil on this, and now I'm going to start the actual polishing process. Now my hand, I would like some paper towel inside here, just so I can hold the guitar steady with my hand. There we go. So I'm going to do a swirl mark, and this is part of the actual polishing stage. You'll see me when I get to the top here. And I'm doing this very lightly. This is moving the shellac around. There you have it. One part of it. You can see this other side hasn't been done yet. You can see the difference. All right, well, that's it for me. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed seeing that, and if you did, by all means, would you consider subscribing and hitting the like button? And if you have any questions about what we're doing here and how we're doing this, by all means, feel free to use the comment section below and send me your questions. And thank you, by the way, for the questions for the Tea with Monty. They were good questions. I appreciated that a lot. So that's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Right now, I'm heading upstairs for a cup of English breakfast tea. And don't forget, check out the Tea House in London, Ontario. That's H-A-U-S, Tea House, the Tea House. You'll enjoy their tea. It's really good stuff. Bye.